And we perform better, we deliver better, I think all of us across the board, when we understand why. This is a trait that we start as a little kid. We want to know why. So you want to explain, share what you want in your candidate profile, but then also share why. Because the more information that your recruiter has, that's going to keep them better focused in conducting a targeted search, and they're going to be more likely to get you more of the qualified candidates and faster. And the more information they have, including the understanding of why you want what it is you want, then they can also better articulate that to candidates. And then candidates can in turn assess their interest in the role, and if they know that they're not going to be fit or it's not feeling like it's going to align, they can weed themselves out of the process, and that will later save you time. So remember, taking time by communicating effectively, including articulating not just what you want, but why you want what you want, so that your recruiter has a solid understanding, is going to later save you time on the back end and throughout your search from interviewing candidates that are not, or potentially not a fit. And you want to continue your communication with your recruiter throughout the process. Remember, they are your kind of boots on the ground out there hunting for what you want. You want to have consistent and effective communication with them so that they can do a better job for you. Otherwise, they're kind of flying blind. If maybe you guys connected on the front end, but if they haven't heard from you throughout the search, they don't know what's happening. Maybe you've got an internal candidate and you don't need any additional candidates. Well, they have to properly prioritize and manage their time. So if you still need candidates, if you're not getting the right candidates, connect with your recruiter again. Taking time for that effective communication will later save you time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, I invite you to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.